Are you someone that pays debt with a loan and you have maxed out your credit card already and you are now in a lifestyle where you live on loans, on credit, and perhaps you don't know even how you'll get through the month? I'm here with Werner Borman from Wealth Tech Holdings here in Pretoria, and he's a specialist in not just handling and understanding your financial situation and your debt, but also in growing financially and then creation of wealth. Hello, Werner.
Thank you. Thank you, Joyce. It's a pleasure to be with you. And yeah, let's see if we can help people.
Yes, you talk about your ecosystem at WealthTech. And when you do that, it is a comprehensive suite of financial solutions that is designed to protect and grow and also secure someone's wealth.
100%. So we have a lot of clients contacting us specifically that they are struggling to pay their debt. And people think that I need to be under debt counseling to sort out debt. And that is not true. And that is the words that I had from a professor that I met even last week that wrote the National Credit Act, a book on that, and a confirmation that each person having debt should not be under debt counseling. So at WealthTech, we start the journey with a consumer client, and it's a journey because the debt can't be wiped away overnight.
Yeah.
We always joke at the office while we're having a serious topic is that you need oil in the engine to prevent that the engine seizes. And that is reference to funds and to money that can help you. So with WealthTech services, if that is the rail that you should be on, there we help and assist you by looking at your credit bureau record. We evaluate that, we interpret that for you so that you understand what is happening on your profile. Once you understand, it's almost like a doctor telling you that you have a sickness, then we say, as well as like a doctor would do, what is the medicine that needs to be applied and on what rail should you be in terms of handling this debt. So again, WealthTech services do not list you. We look at your credit profile and we basically make sure that we start paying that debt in a structured format over time, pending the availability of what you can afford. While as we're WealthTech Debt Review Management, that is the rail that we should protect your assets, and that is where you then should be then kept under debt review, working closely with your debt counselor so that you can be lifted out of that debt over time. With the cocoon that you're currently then in, that nobody can touch those assets, what you've already built up in time.
I think a lot of people think that once you're in debt review, you're now stuck. And how do you get out of it? That's why it's also important, as you said, to make sure that debt review in the first place is the right solution for you. And if you're already there is a way to get out of it. So what is important in this process?
So one of our products at WealthTech is that we do a full investigation. We look at your status at the NCR, on what status you are under debt review. There's various statuses, A, C, D3, D4. We also then look at who's your debt counselor and are you having an open relationship with your debt counselor who you're supposed then to pay through the payment distribution agent. And then also we look at your creditors. What type of debt exists and how it was paid or not being paid currently. So that is the three legs that we actually investigate and then basically guide you from, what is the route to take to get you out of debt counseling. The major drawback to get lifted out of debt counseling is obviously money, because if your debt is still there, you can't be lifted out.
Yeah.
And you have to negotiate with your creditors. And that's the process we do on your behalf, to negotiate and arm wrestle with the creditors so that you get removed, in time with the money that you have available to pay for that debt. The only exclusion in terms of the act is that, you can still have your house that you still pay due to the bond that you have and so on, but it takes, it needs to be up to date, for you to convince the tribunal under debt counseling to be removed.
Yeah, I think it's also important to understand that there is a way, but you have to do it goal-orientated.
100%. And I think the biggest where people become impatient, it takes a process. It doesn't happen overnight. And I know specifically for the youngsters, they think it's just quick, and then things are removed. And unfortunately, it goes along with funding money to settle that debt and negotiating with the creditors to get that debt settled.
I have to say what make WealthTech very special. When I read everything about WealthTech, what really impressed me is the fact that you have a relationship with your clients. And it is a relationship that is built on trust. It is not just let's handle your debt quickly. And if you're not getting out of debt, that it's your problem. You have a relationship with every client. And it's more of a partnership, starting off perhaps in debt and then growing into a financial wellness and then eventually into wealth. And that is very, very special.
100%. You actually summarize it very well. We have 300 staff members at our head office in Brooklyn and Pretoria. We are contact center based. However, with the technology these days, you can reach us on various platforms. And yes, we like to create that trust relationship with a client. We are working with money, and people should see that there's hope to get out of debt, not to drown in the debt, but also to create a contingency plan with your kids and your spouse, so that there's an inheritance that can go with your will being in place, where we save money, where we invest money for you. And that is all done under the WealthTech umbrella on guidance we believe is the best for you.
Yeah, so for Kingdom Business, we know as believers that we will not be the borrowers, but the lenders. And there will be an inheritance for our children's children. So your passion is to see people successful in a place where they have wealth and abundance.
100%, and not to left pocket, side pocket, loan, pay debt, another loan to pay another debt, but eventually to know, what is enough, and enough is enough, and do I really need that new car now? Do I really need that new laptop? Or do I really have to sell this lovely property of mine and make further debt? Yeah. I think all within your specific environment, and each individual out there is unique. You have maybe parents that you still look after. You have kids at university. You have kids at school fees to be paid. You have everything that just increases month to month. And I think that's where we need to juggle and make sure that you have a plan, that you don't have to juggle, and make sure that you can settle that debt in time.
Yeah, I think that's very important. So there is hope. And the more you understand what the plan is for your wealth creation, the more disciplined and orderly you can go about creating the wealth that you need. And then there will be the success story in which you share so often. And that is my hope for you, that you have success in wealth creation.
Yes, and I'd like to close as well and say, we started off with talking more in our market about financial repair. Financial repair can start whether you maybe have debt or whatever, but financial repair even includes to make sure that your will is in place, because that's also repair. It also makes sure that you have the right and correct investments. That is also repair, because a lot of people are paying for policies and funeral policies, and actually it just ruins their cash flow. And again, that's part of the repair that we as WealthTech want to create and make sure that we do the best for the consumer out there.
Werner, if someone wants to contact you, where can they contact you?
So we're available on our website, WealthTech, WealthTech, without the H, WealthTech, Capitech, Investec, WealthTech.co.za, or you can send us a mail on info@wealthtech.co.za, and we can see from there on what rail we place you to take you forward and to make a success within your financial wellness being.
So the bottom line is today is the first day of the rest of your life, a life of abundance.